Once upon a time, due to drought, there was a famine in some country. All the people's crops dried up and got ruined. The people of that country started yearning for food and drink. In such difficult times, the poor crows and other animals and birds were also not getting bread or pieces of food. When the crows did not get anything to eat for a long time, they started searching the forest in search of food. On reaching the forest, a pair of crows stopped on a tree and made their perch there. There was a pond under the same tree. In that pond, there lived a crow who lived in water. He would stay in the water all day long and fill his stomach by catching lots of fish. When his stomach was full, he would also play in the water. At the same time, when the crow, sitting on the branch of the tree, saw the water crow, he too wanted to become like him. He thought that if he befriends the water crow, he will also get fish to eat throughout the day, and his days will also start going well. He went to the bank of the pond and started talking to the water crow in a sweet voice. He said, "Listen, friend, you are very healthy. In the blink of an eye, you catch fish. Will you teach me this quality of yours too?" Hearing this, the water crows said, "Friend, what will you do? After learning this, whenever you feel hungry, tell me. I will catch fishes from the water and give them to you, and you can eat them." From that day onwards, whenever the crow felt hungry, he would go to the water crow and take a lot of fishes from him and eat them. One day the crow thought that he would go into the water and catch only fishes. He can do this work himself also. For how long will he keep taking the favor of that water crow? He decided in his mind that he would go to the pond and catch fish for himself. When he started going into the water of the pond, the water crow said to him again, "Friend, don't do this. You don't know how to catch fish in the water, hence going into the water can be risky for you." After listening to the water crow, the crow living on the tree said arrogantly, "You are saying this because of your pride. Like you, I too can go into the water and catch fish, and today I will prove it by doing so." Having said this, the crow jumped into the water of the pond with a splash. Now, there was algae in the water of the pond, in which he got stuck. That crow had no experience in removing moss or in getting out of it. He tried to make a hole in the moss by hitting it with his beak. For this, as soon as he stuck his beak into the moss, his beak also got stuck in the moss. Despite many efforts, he could not get out of the moss, and after some time, he died due to suffocation in the water. Later, while searching for the crow also came near the pond. There he asked the water crow about his crow. The water crow, narrating the whole story, said, "In an attempt to imitate me, that crow sacrificed his life with his own hands." Lesson from the story: to be like someone, even to pretend, requires hard work. Also, ego is very bad for a person.